to Mom and Me Kitchen. Our goal is to provide you with easy, healthy, and delicious recipes. We hope you enjoy this first one. It's a healthy version of a good old sugar cookie. It's a whole wheat sugar cookie. These are the ingredients right here. Whole wheat flour, egg, sugar, milk, coconut oil, vegetable oil, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla extract, ground nutmeg, salt, lemon zest, and lemon juice. These are the ratios of all the ingredients for the whole wheat sugar cookie recipe. So let's start. Since this is only 2 tablespoons milk, add about half a teaspoon of lemon juice. And let it sit. Now, let's get started on the dry ingredients. First, add your whole wheat flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Lastly, add your ground nutmeg. Now be careful of how much you use. Now give this a good mix with a whisk. This is my food processor bowl, and since I'm going to be using a food processor. If you could also use a whisk or any other thing you have at home. Now, first you're going to add both your oils. So this is coconut oil, and we're using 1/4 cup coconut oil because coconut oil gives a strong taste. So we're only using half coconut oil because it's very healthy. And then you can either use olive oil, vegetable oil, or sunflower oil for your next 1/4 cup. For now, I'm using sunflower oil. Now, be sure to melt the oil. It gets very hard on the food processor if you don't melt. Now, add your sugar. Put it in. Okay. Now, make sure to give this a good whisk at medium speed for about 3 minutes. 1 meter of medium. I usually go to high speed. Should look a bit foamy, not too much, but it won't get the same cream texture you get when you use butter, but it should be about the same. Now add your egg in. Mix at medium speed and then go to high for about 3 to 4 minutes. After this is done, it should make your batter a bit more flowy. Now that you're done mating, it should look about like this. Now add the milk. You might notice it's a little bulky, and that's because of the lemon juice, but don't worry, it's nothing bad. Okay, finally add your vanilla extract and lemon zest. Now whisk at medium speed. Don't go any higher. Take your dry ingredients that you set aside earlier. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients carefully. For cookie dough, I prefer to use a spatula with a big grip. Unlike this one, because this is a little thinner and you can't really fold cookie dough like this. But this is good for cake batter. So now, gently fold your cookie dough. I'm using a spatula, but you could also use a dough hook. Get all of your mixture out and form it into a ball. Put it in some cling wrap and wrap it around. Put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. So it's been chilling in the refrigerator for 30 minutes and now it is out. Now we're gonna align it on a cookie sheet. You wanna lightly grease this and make sure it's not too much. Then your cookies will get really oily. Now set your oven to 375. So I am for placing them, I'm using an ice cream scoop. This gives me the best size my favorite size of the cookie. So I'm just gonna scoop it and lay it. You wanna have them about 1/2 centimeter apart. So make sure it's packed in and empty it on. Press it down a little so that until you get the size of the cookie you want. Keep doing that until your cookie sheet is filled. Now I have a filled cookie tray with 12 cookies. This recipe makes about 24 to 26 cookies. I'm gonna put it in my 375-degree oven. Bake this for about 15 minutes for starting. Then add around 5. It's been 15 minutes and the cookies are now done. This is how you want your cookies to look. And there you have it, a delicious cookie. When these are warm, they melt into your mouth. They're chewy, have that nutmeg flavor, but not too much. They're absolutely delicious. These go really well with any of your favorite drinks, like milk, coffee, or tea. These also make really good cookies for ice cream sandwiches. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe and like. so we can provide you with more easy, healthy, and delicious recipes. Also, hit that notification bell to not miss any of our recipes. Comment down below if you have any recipes for us to try, or if you like this recipe. We'll see you next time on Mom and Me Kitchen. Thank you for watching.